What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, welcome back. You already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, how to grow longer hair, 4C hair specifically, skincare hacks, product reviews, how to glow the heck up in general. Alright, let's get into it. As you know, for those of you who've already been tuning in, I talk a lot about how to gain/maintain weight, tips, tricks, hacks. And I try to make it simple so that you don't have to do the most. And a lot of times in just doing these things, even without exercising, you will gain weight. However, in order to target the weight to specific areas, then yes, working out will only improve things. You're talking about the glutes, then yes, those leg lifts, those donkey kicks, squats, all of those things will help. I actually just love doing like leg lifts, calf lifts. Yes, those things will help. Now, as far as what you should consume, I already know that I talk about maca extract. The reason that I believe it helps, maca helps with hormone balance. And when you're talking about hormones being out of whack, that can cause a variety of things such as acne, mood swings, stress, anxiety, bloating. So maca helps to combat those things. And there are other products that you can use for hormonal balance, such as fenugreek and flaxseed, and that is what we are going to talk about today. Using a massage oil of flaxseed and fenugreek. If you look at a lot of enhancement products, you will see that two of the ingredients, more than likely, are flaxseed and fenugreek. And they have it in several forms, but they actually do have it in an oil form, which is very good for massage. And it's as simple as using these two ingredients, the flaxseed oil and the fenugreek oil. If you can get cold pressed, that is ideal. Cold pressed, authentic, the real deal. That's what you want to do. And all you need to do is take a tablespoon and put it into a jar of each, the flaxseed oil and the fenugreek oil. Now, these two things also help with skin, to smooth the skin and elasticity. And that is castor oil and olive oil. Like I said, you can use the two products on their own, the flaxseed and the fenugreek oil. But if you also add a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of castor oil, and you mix that all up, you simply massage it into the area that you are trying to, of course, enhance. In addition to that though, as I've stated with my other products that I've mixed up with the other concoctions, you can put this all over your skin to glow up in general, and they are very great moisturizers individually, and together, just a power combo. So that is literally in a nutshell. Mix those oils together, a tablespoon of each, once a day. Once or twice a day, you're good. Do it once a day, ideally at night, letting everything just sit, whatever. But if you do it even twice a day, that's not bad. And if you want to take things up a notch, then yes, consume your maca extract, your fenugreek, your flaxseed. You can both take it and rub it onto your skin. So that's what it is. Thank you guys so much for your support, period, over the years. And as we go into 2021, let us just be thankful for where we are at. And I wish you all many blessings, peace, prosperity, glow up, the whole nine. Leg up. Really do appreciate y'all. Thanks so much for tuning in. And I'll holla.